Hi student, in previous video we have seen that how the merchant became impressed on the Abdul and how the Abdul get all the books from his store and how he became a scholar person, and because of his scholar imperial give a duty means became made him as head of the poultry keeper. Now see student, what will happen next? Students see chorus. Abdul worked with conviction, zeal and passion. The hens were given a new kind of ration. The birds seemed to be in a pink of health, but nothing was spent from the imperial's wealth. Imperial, how is that? Why are we spending so little on our hens? Have most of them dead in the pens? Minister, no, your majesty, they are alive and well. The secret of their health only Abdul can tell. Abdul enters and bows before the imperial. Imperial, how come you spend so little on our hens? How do you nourish them at no expense? Abdul, Jahapana, your humble servant, feed them well. Food from the royal kitchen, if I may take, but only scraps and cells and kitchen waste. That is enough for the hens. They relish the taste. It is good for their health. See how they thrive. Waste not, want not. That's my derived. Imperial, interesting, young man. You seem to have brains. We put you in a charge of the library for all your pens. Chorus. Oh no, not again. Only a keeper of books. And he wished to be a courtier. How sad he looks. Abdul. Never mind, I love books. I shall get down to work. I shall handle this well. My duty I won't shirk. Now see student, chorus means that background information and musical, so given that Abdul accepted the job of that head of and become the head of poultry keepers. Now see student, Abdul worked with conviction, zeal and passion. Means zeal means student enthusiasm, okay, means with means happily he accepted that, with passion means with interest, like that, okay. The hens were given a new kind of ration. He started, when he became the head of the royal Murgi Khana, he started to give a new kind of the ration, okay, for eating them, okay. The birds seemed to be in a pink of health, and because of that new ration that hens became the healthy. Pink, to be in a pink, in the pink means to be fit and fine. The all that hens became fit and fine. Now see student, but nothing was spent from the imperial's wealth, and without taking the money's wealth of the imperials, he did all, okay, and that's why imperial was surprised. He said, how is that? Why are we sending so little wealth on our hens? Okay. Have most of them dead in the pens? Our that hens that were have most of them dead in the pens, because now we are the spending so little on our hens. Why is that? Okay. The minister said, no, your majesty, they are alive and well. Okay, that imperator said, why we are wasting, spending so little on our hens? They are alive or dead in the pen. Then that minister said, no, your majesty, they are alive and well. Okay, the secret of their health only Abdul can tell. Then the imperial called the Abdul. Abdul entered Imperial. Now see student, Imperial asked to the Abdul, how come you spend so little on your hens? He said to Abdul, how can you spend so little on our hens? Okay. Then how do you nourish them at no expense without spend that money well? How you made them nourish to all hens? Okay. Then Abdul said, Jahabana, your humble servant feeds them well. Feed from the royal kitchens. The Abdul said to that Imperial, we are give well food that hens and that are coming from our royal kitchens. Okay, what was the food, student? What was the that ration? That was the kitchen's waste. For example, cells, scraps. Okay. We can call it the garbage, kitchen's garbage, for some leaves of that vegetables, then peel of some fruits, then some grains. Okay, that is the wastage, and he started to give the food as a food to the hens, and because of that, that is enough. He said to the Imperial, that is very enough for their health, because they release the taste, means that food is the favorite foods of the hens, that increase the taste of them, and see how they thrive, means how become they healthy. Okay, waste not, want not, that is my derive, and that is my derive means an effort made to achieve a certain purpose, and because of his derive, he started to use all the scraps materials as well as all the waste materials, sales of the kitchens as a food of the hens without spending that money as well as wealth of that Imperials, and how he became how, and because of the all hens become the fit and fine. Okay, now see student, then Imperial said, interesting young man, you seem to have a brain, and because of his explanation, the Imperial became impressed. Okay, and he said to the Abdul, now I am giving a new job to you. Which was, student? Now that job was to be a keeper of books. Now he will be a keeper of books. Now see student, we put you in a charge of library for all your pens. Now he became a charge of library. Then in chorus said, oh no, not again, only a keeper of books, and he wished to be a courtier. How sad he looks. Now student, we all know that the Abdul, what he wants? Yes, he wants to be a courtier. But now Imperial became impressed, and he gave a next job to be a library, means to head of the library, to keep books keeper, like that. And that's why the Imperial said that no, not again, only the keeper of books. He wished to be a courtier, and he want to be courtier. How he looks very sad. Abdul said, never mind, I love books. I shall get down to work. I shall handle this well, my duties. No problem, never mind. I like all the books, and I will do my works well. Okay, my duties. I won't shriek. Shriek means, student, avoid. I won't avoid my duty. I will do my duty perfectly. Okay, student, now see. Till 2 we have seen. Okay, now next, after 1 year, the Imperial is looking at the books in the library. Imperial, what? All these books have such expensive jackets? Surely they have cost a fortune. Silk, brocades and velvets. Abdul said, no, your majesty, the expenses were none. Imperial said, I can't believe it. Then how was it done? Abdul said, Your Majesty, I observed that the formal requests were sent to you in a bags made of the fabrics best. When the papers were read, the bags were discarded. Why waste the silk, velvet, brocade? I demanded. The royal tailors made the jackets, nothing did they take. Each book was dressed for your Majesty's sake. Emperor said, You have a great merit. I had realized much earlier. I am happy to announce now you are my courtier. Chorus, wits, brains and perseverance helped Abdul achieve his aim. Passions, determination won him great name and fame. Now see student, after the 1 year in previous that page we have seen now that Imperial made him one means books keeper. After the 1 year the Imperial visit the library, okay, of library, books of library. Imperial said, what? All the books have such expensive jackets? Oh my God! Who made that? All books have expensive jackets. Surely they have cost fortune. Means that all looking very costly because they are made from silk, velvets, brocades. Okay. Then Abdul said, No, Your Majesty. No. The expenses were none, and that is not expenses. Okay. Then Emperor said, I can't believe it. Then how was it done? How you did? You tell me. Okay. I can't believe it. Okay. Then Abdul said, Your Majesty, I have observed that the formal requests were sent. If you see student that Imperial court, okay, some formal requests that come in the bags, and that bags made from silk, brocade as well as velvets. Okay. Now see student, fabric is that all bags made of the fabrics best. Okay. When the papers were read, the bags were discarded. I have observed that in your court some formal requests come in the means that papers come in the bag. When that paper you read, that time that all bags discarded means throw, go in waste. That I demanded the royal tailors made the jacket, and from that all wastage cloth I have made jackets to all the books. Okay. Nothing did they take. Each book was dressed for your Majesty's sake. Then Imperial said, You have great merit. You are brilliant. You are intelligent. You are scholar. Okay. I had released that. Now I am happy and announce that you are my courtier. When the Imperial listened the explanation how he made jackets from that waste bags. Okay. Brocade means student rich fabric woven with golden or silver thread. Okay. Now student, that is the with the help of that waste bags he made many jackets for all the books, and because of that his explanation Imperial become impressed, and he announced you are my courtier. Okay. Now student, now chorus. Wits, brains and perseverance helped Abdul achieve his aim, and with the help of his brains, wits and perseverance he achieved his aim. Okay. Passion, determination won him great name and fame, and because of his passion, patience, determination, he won his name and fame. Won him name and fame means he become a famous person. Okay student, in this way we have seen the whole and soul chapter. In this chapter we have studied about how there. Student like the Abdul, you have also do study hard. You have to do also study hard, and after the study hard, after the acquiring knowledge, you will be also become a good person, a scholar, famous person like Abdul. That is